Hi, greetings to one and all present. Good morning, Ashutosh sir.
Good morning, sir.
Today we have Mr. Ashutosh Agarwal, Director of CPJ College, Narela, on the thoughts of education from College Dunia. Sir, over to you. Can you please help us with a brief introduction of yourself?
I am Dr. Ashutosh Agarwal, Director CPJ College. I possess more than 17 years of teaching and administrative experience and serving more prestigious colleges all over India. I completed my PhD and MBA from the reputed university in India. And now I'm associated with CPJ College and serving for the society at large.
Great, sir. Now everyone, we'll come over directly to the questions. My first question to you, sir. How does the curriculum of the management, commerce and IT course ensure the best practice of the industry?
Uditji, say the curriculum of commerce, it is the most prominent areas where the industries are looking the professionals. By the passage of time, the management education has earmarked a very remarkable growth in the industry, and the IT sector has given its boom since 1998 till now. Now, as we are imparting the education in the field of commerce, management, and IT, so our curriculum is being framed in such a manner which meet out the industry requirements. As we are providing the BCom for the commerce, BBA General and BBA Computer Aided Management for the students of management, and BCA for the students of IT. So these courses are matching, the curriculum of these courses are matching with the industry requirements, and we are developing the technocrats, we are developing the managers, we are developing the various professionals in the field of commerce, management, and IT.
Very well said, sir. Now over to the second question of the day. With the competition so high, how do you guide your students to survive in such a competitive scenario?
Sir, as of now and from very ancient time, if we have to survive in any of the environment, we have to adapt the changes. We have to change ourselves according to the need of the industry. So we have designed our curriculum. The curriculum is being designed so that the changing business requirement, changing corporate requirement can be met out timely as well. We are guiding our students to work as a team, to work not for self but for others also. So we are inculcating various technical practices, various educative practices, various professional practices among the students so that they can survive in the industry and they can grow and nurture in the industry.
Very well said, sir. Now over to the third question of the day. What are your views upon the placements and higher education about the students from your department?
Sir, this is the foremost true that the placement is the one of the major key factor while admissions, while the students are looking for pursuing any course. So this placement in higher education has given a different shape as the changing requirement of the corporate world. Our department is giving the opportunity to the students. We are having the tie-ups with various corporates. We are inviting the corporates to guide our students in such a manner so that they would develop themselves according to the requirements of the corporate world and face the tough competitions. We are conducting the various webinars, various guest lectures from the corporates. We are conducting various workshops being taken by the corporate executives. We have also conducted the MDPs and various activities for our students so that the placement of our student would not be a matter of big deal. They are being developed in such a manner so that they are easily get placed as per the requirement of corporate.
Thank you so much, sir. Over to the next question. Is there any cell which works on enhancing the student's skill set?
Yes. Sir, the CPJ college has developed a cell, has formulated a cell named as Genesis cell. The basic purpose of this Genesis cell is generating student interest towards improvement in their skills. We have further bifurcated this Genesis cell in 4 wings. One wing is meant for training and development, imparting the corporate exposure and all. Second wing is for the excursion trips, corporate trips, industrial visits. Third wing of this Genesis cell is imparting or conducting the various value-added programs, which we may call as certification programs. And the fourth wing is meant for development, overall grooming of the students through personality development and final placement. So Genesis cell is one of the cells which we have formed for assisting the placement, development and overall grooming of the students, so the placement would not be a difficult task.
Very well said, sir. Now coming over to the last question of the day. Till date, what has been your average package offered to the students?
The college has, our college has successfully meet out the requirement of the students. As I have earlier mentioned, we are providing the courses of BBA Computer Aided Management, BCA and BCom Honors. In all the 4 courses, the college is providing 100% placement assistance to the students, where the highest package has go up to 7.5 lakh per annum for national as well as for the international placements. And for the commerce students, the average package is go up to 5 lakh per annum. So this is the pay package for our students which we are offering, and various multinationals, not only the Indian but also the international or the foreign multinationals are also associated with our college, and they are providing the opportunities to our students to explore their wings in their areas of specialization.
Very well said, sir. Thank you so much for all the for all the views for your college. Hope everyone likes it. Thank you so much. This was Mr. Ashutosh Agarwal, Director of CPJ College, Narela. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.